Now that you got the bead broke off of there, get yourself some good tire irons. And you got to push down on the opposite side. You got to make sure that bead gets down into the groove of the rim, or else you'll have no chance of getting this out. And take small bites. There's a sweet spot here, right where the bead crosses that little lower gutter, and your tire irons will just go in effortlessly if you pick the right spot. But if a little too far out, they're not going to go in. A little too close, they're not going to go in either. So just work your way around. Take your time. And then same on the backside. Pull the bead all the way over. You'll feel that sweet spot. There's, a little too far out, really hard. Too close, ain't gonna work. And shove that rim down as far as it'll go, and then pull it out. Ugh. Shove that rim down as far as it'll go in there. Then you can just pull it right out. Make sure you inspect your rim. You don't want any sharp, jagged pieces, broken spokes. Then we're ready to put it back together.